How to turn off Messenger notifications. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I will guide you through the process on how you can turn off Messenger notifications. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you appear on this homepage, click on the three dashed line in the top left corner. Again, click on the gear-shaped icon in order to get into your account settings. Scroll down and under the section of preference, click on the option of notifications and sounds. Once you appear on this page, toggle off the on button. Set the time for how long you want to mute the notifications. For example, I will choose the option of for 24 hours. Once you choose your option, finally click on OK, and that's it. This is how easily you can turn off Messenger notifications. You will be no more notified when someone calls or messages you on Messenger. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye bye.